Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 8 lesson 3. Here we are going to learn how to write an inner join statement using clause syntax. In the previous lesson we learned how to write an inner join statement using natural join syntax. Here we are going to learn how to use the using syntax. The syntax of inner join using clause syntax is select column list from table 1, join table 2 using column name. So this is the common column name that will be used to join or to link both tables together. In the natural join, as we saw, we didn't provide the name of the column that will be used for the join, as Oracle will automatically pick the columns that have the same name in both tables to do the join. So here, if the join tables contains more than one column matches and you want to match only specific column, you can use using clause instead of natural join, because in natural join Oracle will automatically pick up all columns that have the same name. But here we can specify which column that will be used for the join. The column used in the using clause join must have the same name on both tables. In this example, we're rewriting the same example in the previous lesson, but using clause syntax in this case. So here we have two tables, departments table and locations table. We want to retain the department ID, the department name, which exist in table 1, departments table, and we want to retain the city, which exists in locations table. So because we are reading data from both tables, we have to do the join. Select department ID, department name, city from departments, join locations. So I'm reading data from departments, join locations, using where is the common data that will be used to join or to link both tables. The common data comes from the location ID. So this is the location ID, this is the location ID. Both columns must have the same name. Both columns in both tables must have the same name in this case. Order by department ID. So here Oracle will take the first record, department ID, administration, 1700. Where is 1700? This is 1700. He will retain the city, which is Seattle. Department 20, marketing, 1800. Where is 1800? This is 1800, Toronto. He will retain Toronto. Purchasing, this is department 30, purchasing, 1700. This is 1700. He retain Seattle, and so on. So this is how to write an inner join statement using clause syntax. In the second example here, we have two tables. We have employees table and we have departments table. I want to retain the last name, the salary, and department name. So here we have to use join to retrieve data from both tables. Select last name, salary, department name from employees, join departments using the common data exist in department ID. So this is the common data exist in department ID. So here Oracle will retain Wallen. Wallen works in department 10. What is the name of the department 10? Look at the departments table. Department 10, this is department 10. What is the name of the department? Administration. So Wallen, the salary of Wallen, work in department administration. The second employee works in department 20. Department 20 is marketing. So here, the common data. So we are joining or linking the tables using the department ID that exist in both tables. For example, employee Grant here, the name of the employee Grant, the department is 50. Where is the department 50 here? It is shipping. So Grant works in department shipping. So this is how to join two tables using clause syntax. Can I use natural join in this case? Can I rewrite this statement by using natural join? Again, in natural join, we cannot specify the columns that will be used for the join. Oracle will automatically pick up all columns that have the same name to do the join. So here is the employees table. In employees table, we have a list of columns. In departments table, we have a list also of the columns. So here in employees table, we have manager ID and department ID. Here we have department ID and we have manager ID. So here we have two columns that have the same name on both tables. So if you rewrite this statement using natural join, Oracle will pick up these columns and do the joins using these columns. So if you rewrite the statement using natural join, the output will be totally different. So in this lesson, we learned how to do the join using clause syntax. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.